Welcome to Headphone News Science and Technology Edition for Tuesday, December 24th, 2024.
Remarkable discovery of a juvenile mammoth in Siberia. In Yakutsk, the capital of Russia's Sakha Republic, researchers have made an exciting discovery. The remains of a juvenile mammoth frozen in melting ground for over 50,000 years. Announced on December 23, 2024. This remarkable find was located in the Batagaica crater, a large geological feature. This mammoth, resembling a small elephant, weighed over 110 kilograms, or about 240 pounds, and was likely just over a year old at the time of its death. Unusually, its head and trunk were well preserved, as these parts typically deteriorate first. This discovery is part of a series of important finds in Siberia's melting permafrost, which has been revealing ancient species. Recently, scientists also showcased the remains of a 32,000-year-old saber-toothed cat cub and uncovered a 44,000-year-old wolf carcass. These findings highlight the ongoing effects of climate change on ancient environments and provide valuable insights into the history of life on Earth. However, as the permafrost thaws, it can release greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. Understanding these discoveries helps scientists study how ecosystems adapt to change and informs efforts to protect the variety of life on our planet. What do these ancient discoveries reveal about our future?
TPG in talks to acquire Altus Power. TPG, a leading global investment firm, is currently negotiating to acquire Altus Power, a top provider of solar energy solutions for both commercial and residential properties. If successful, this deal could be finalized in the coming weeks. As of December 23, 2024, Altus Power has a market value of about $650 million, but it also carries a debt of around $1.1 billion. Based in Stamford, Connecticut, Altus Power is one of the largest owners of commercial-scale solar plants in the United States. The company is exploring a potential sale after a significant drop in its share value since going public in 2021 through a $1.6 billion merger with a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, backed by the real estate giant CBRE Group. The demand for renewable energy is rising, driven by the urgent need for clean energy solutions amid climate change concerns. This trend makes companies like Altus Power attractive to infrastructure investors. TPG manages approximately $19 billion in assets through its RISE funds, focusing on investments that create social and environmental impact. Recently, Altus Power has seen positive changes, signing new commercial property customers. For the quarter ending in September 2024, the company reported a 30% increase in revenue, totaling $58.7 million, with a net profit of $8.6 million, reflecting over 26% growth. Blackstone, another major player in the investment sector, provided $350 million in debt financing and committed $300 million in preferred equity as part of the SPAC deal in 2021. Blackstone holds a 13.2% stake in Altus Power, while CBRE remains the largest shareholder with a 15.38% stake. These ongoing discussions between TPG and Altus Power highlight the growing interest in renewable energy investments, which are becoming increasingly vital in the global fight against climate change.
Apple's path to a $4 trillion valuation. Apple Incorporated is racing toward a groundbreaking $4 trillion valuation, driven by strong investor excitement around advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI. This surge comes as Apple aims to boost its product lineup, especially the iPhone, which has seen slow sales lately. Since early November 2024, Apple shares have jumped about 16%, adding roughly $500 billion to its market value. As of December 23, 2024, Apple's valuation stands at around $3.85 trillion, surpassing the combined market values of Germany and Switzerland's main stock markets. Analysts, including Tom Forte from Maxim Group, believe this rally is fueled by expectations that AI will spark a supercycle of iPhone upgrades, a term that describes a long period of high demand for a product. Apple was the first U.S. company to hit previous trillion-dollar milestones, showcasing its dominance in the tech sector. However, Apple faces criticism for its slow AI strategy compared to competitors like Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta platforms. Shares of NVIDIA, a key player in AI technology, have skyrocketed over 800% in the past 2 years, while Apple's shares have nearly doubled. In early December 2024, Apple began integrating OpenAI's ChatGPT into its devices, enhancing its AI capabilities. The company expects modest revenue growth in the low to mid-single digits during its fiscal first quarter, raising questions about demand for the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Still, analysts predict a rebound in iPhone revenue by 2025. Morgan Stanley analyst Eric Woodring noted that the current subdued demand for iPhones is linked to limited AI features and geographic availability. As these features expand, improvements in iPhone demand are anticipated. The rise in Apple's stock price has pushed its price-to-earnings ratio to a near 3-year high of 33.5, compared to 31.3 for Microsoft and 31.7 for NVIDIA, indicating strong market confidence in Apple's future earnings. However, concerns remain as Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has sold shares of Apple, reflecting broader worries about high market valuations. Additionally, Apple may face retaliatory tariffs if U.S. President-elect Donald Trump follows through on promises to impose at least 10% tariffs on goods imported from China. Analysts believe Apple may receive exclusions on key products like the iPhone, Mac, and iPad, similar to the first round of tariffs imposed in 2018. Overall, Apple's pursuit of a $4 trillion market cap highlights its enduring leadership in the tech industry, reinforcing its position as a market innovator with significant implications for investors and the broader technology landscape.
Coralogix acquires Aporia to boost AI monitoring. Coralogix, a top observability platform based in San Francisco, California, has made a bold move by acquiring Aporia, a startup specializing in AI monitoring. This acquisition, announced on December 23, 2024, aims to enhance Coralogix's ability to oversee AI projects. Founded in 2014, Coralogix offers vital monitoring and security services, while Aporia, established in 2019, has raised $30 million, including $25 million in its first investment round in 2022. By combining Aporia's technology with its own, Coralogix will provide improved visibility and control to the many AI teams already using its platform. This move reflects a growing focus in the tech world on the importance of AI. As the demand for effective monitoring solutions increases, Coralogix is positioning itself to better serve its clients and adapt to the rapidly changing market. How will this shift in AI monitoring impact businesses in the future?
Microsoft's AI strategy shift. Microsoft is shaking things up by diversifying the artificial intelligence models behind its flagship product, Microsoft 365 Copilot. This move aims to reduce its reliance on OpenAI, the tech partner since Copilot's launch in March 2023. As Microsoft looks to cut costs and boost performance for enterprise users, it's exploring both in-house and third-party AI options to enhance Copilot's features. This shift reflects a growing trend in the tech world, where companies are seeking alternatives to streamline their operations. Based in San Francisco, California, Microsoft has been a strong supporter of OpenAI, but rising costs and speed concerns have prompted a search for new solutions. Recent reports suggest Microsoft expects to sell 365 Copilot to over 10 million paid users this year. A survey from Gartner found that 70% of Fortune 500 companies are currently using Copilot, although many are still in the pilot phase. In October 2023, GitHub, a Microsoft subsidiary, began integrating AI models from other companies like Anthropic and Google, moving away from OpenAI's GPT-4 model. This trend shows that tech firms are eager to explore multiple AI options. CEO Satya Nadella is closely watching these developments, aiming to provide businesses with cost-effective solutions while maintaining high performance. By reducing dependence on a single provider, Microsoft hopes to strengthen its competitive advantage in the fast-evolving AI landscape. As the tech sector continues to change, these developments could lead to better AI tools and enhanced services for consumers.
That is all the news for today. Thank you for listening to today's headphone news. News summary brought to you by AI.